डिजाइनर होम अगर मैं किसी को भी कहूँ कि आई एम गोइंग टू बी डिजाइनिंग अ डिजाइनर होम फॉर यू, द फर्स्ट परसेप्शन इज गोइंग टू बी कि अरे बहुत महंगा होने वाला है. अ डिजाइनर होम इज नॉट इक्विवेलेंट टू समथिंग दैट इज एक्सपेंसिव.
जनरली लोग कहते हैं कि एक इंटीरियर डिजाइनर का कि काम ही क्या होता है, यू नो, फर्नीचर रखवा दिया, कलर सिलेक्ट करवा दिया, लाइट्स ठीक है हमें लेके जाएंगे 10-12 शॉप्स में लेके जाएंगे, हमें सिलेक्ट करवा देंगे, इसके अलावा उनका काम ही क्या होता है. दिस इज अ जनरल
इट हर्ट्स. हम जब भी कोई प्रोजेक्ट डिजाइन करते हैं तो वी मेक इट अ मिशन इन द बिगिनिंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द डेली लाइफ ऑफ आवर क्लाइंट्स. यू नो, आपकी हैबिट्स क्या है, हाउ डू यू लिव इन योर हाउस, हाउ डू यू ऑपरेट इन योर हाउस, हाउ यू सर्कुलेट इन योर हाउस. सो देयर आर 3 सेगमेंट्स इन इंटीरियर जो सबसे ज्यादा आपका कॉस्टिंग ले लेते हैं. फर्स्ट कम्स फ्लोरिंग, सेकंड इज फर्नीचर एंड थर्ड इज लाइटिंग.
Hiring an interior can lower down your budget by X percentage. What percentage?
About 15 to 20%.
Most of people believe in one thing, that if you need a designer home, you need to spend on designer bills. But what if I told you this is not true? Yes, if you are a first home buyer and looking out for amazing interior designer tips, or even if you are going for an option of renovation, this episode is for you. We have invited Kanisha Kalpit, a young interior designer from Studio Kalp, to cover this topic, and her hacks and tricks will save you a lot of money. Hi Kanisha, welcome to Growth Pod Talk.
Hi Ruchi, thank you so much. Very happy to be here.
Pleasure is mine as well. So Kanisha, while we were discussing earlier as well, and this topic when it struck to me, I thought just nobody else besides you. What do you feel? What is a designer home according to you?
I want to start by saying that a designer home, पहले मेरे परसेप्शन के जगह दूसरे के परसेप्शन के बारे में बात करते हैं कि एक डिजाइनर होम अगर मैं किसी को भी कहूँ कि आई एम गोइंग टू बी डिजाइनिंग अ डिजाइनर होम फॉर यू, द फर्स्ट परसेप्शन इज गोइंग टू बी कि अरे बहुत महंगा होने वाला है. यू नो, द बजट्स आर गोइंग टू एब्सोल्युटली गो bonkers. But I am here to tell you that that is not the case. A designer home is not equivalent to something that is expensive.
Okay.
For me, an interior design, a well-designed home is something that caters to the users. A space that works well for the people living in it is a well-designed home. It doesn't need to have expensive materials. Even simple, well-balanced materials can give you that premiumness, can give you that niche look that you're looking for, which is centric to your personality. हम जब भी कोई project design करते हैं तो we make it our mission in the beginning to understand the daily life of our clients. You know, आपकी habits क्या है, आप कैसे, how do you live in your house, how do you operate in your house, how do you circulate in your house, right? इसमें से हम कुछ negotiables और non-negotiables derive करते हैं. तो अभी तक के मेरे इतने जितने भी years का experience है उतने में one thing I've absolutely, it's a ground rule for us at Studio Kalp. There are 3 things that we absolutely don't compromise on when it comes to home designing, and that is actually something that gives that premiumness to the space. First is good circulation, smooth circulation. Second is lighting, and third is the furniture itself. You know, जब ये 3 चीजें आप अच्छे से प्री प्लान करके क्लैरिटी के साथ डिजाइन करते हैं तो देयर आर वेरी लेस चांसेस दैट द बजट विल गो ओवरबोर्ड. एंड दिस टू मी, व्हेन अ हाउस केटर्स टू दीज 3 थिंग्स प्रॉपर्ली, is what a designer home is to me.
Is there any thumb rule या कुछ ऐसे बातें जो पक्के से डिजाइनर के साथ करनी ही चाहिए before you decide on your budget?
So one biggest and very important thing is to communicate all your requirements to the interior designer. जैसे let's say if you play tennis, right? आपके बहुत सारे equipments वगैरह होंगे. Now me as an interior designer, I need to know what all activities you are involved in.
Oh my God.
What all storage will you be requiring? Because see, it's easy to understand. कोई भी space premium कैसे बनता है? It has to be decluttered. अगर आपको declutter आपको openness देता है. It makes the room feel larger, and that is what gives you that premiumness in the space. So any day I would suggest my clients to be absolutely honest with me. You know, ये काफी हद तक like some of the clients are really uncomfortable also कि हम इतना अपने life के बारे में किसी को बता रहे हैं. But I always say that if the more you share, the better I can design. So that's something I always suggest to my clients.
एक घर के लिए डिजाइनर होम में सेगमेंट वाइज कितने फंड्स को हम किस तरह से हम बाइफरकेट करें, कौन से सेगमेंट में कितना लेना चाहिए, ऐसा कोई थंब रूल हो तो वो बताइए. और जनरली एक सबसे बड़ा चंक किस में जाता है?
So there are 3 segments in interior जो सबसे ज्यादा आपका costing ले लेते हैं.
Okay.
First comes flooring, second is furniture, and third is lighting.
Okay.
और ये मैं एस्थेटिक की बात कर रही हूँ. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इनटू सर्विसेज एज ऑफ येट बिकॉज वो ऐसा है कि इफ यू हैव टू डू यू हैव टू डू, राइट. एस्थेटिक की अगर बात करें तो फ्लोरिंग, फर्नीचर और लाइटिंग, ये 3 सेगमेंट है which takes a lot of your chunk out of your budget.
Okay, so coming back to the questions and the hacks now. So आपने बोला फ्लोरिंग के लिए, फर्नीचर, लाइटिंग्स, these are the common segments which takes a lot of the chunk of the interior designing budget. What hacks can you give it? What hacks can you give to us for all these 3 segments? Which main ये है कि प्रीमियम लुक लगना चाहिए बट बजट में. So आपके लिए आप कौन से हैक्स हमें सजेस्ट करोगे?
चलो, let's start with flooring. Flooring, as I said, the key is consistency and proportion.
Okay.
एक ही फ्लोरिंग अगर आपने सिलेक्ट किया है, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मटीरियलिटी वाइज, इफ देयर इज वन मटीरियल दैट यू सिलेक्टेड, the entirety of your house or multiple rooms, if are covered in the same flooring, then it will automatically give that premium look because it will make the space look more larger and more refined. What you can add, इंटीरियर डिजाइन इज ऑल अबाउट लेयरिंग. ठीक है, इसमें एक और आप लेयर क्या ऐड कर सकते हो कि जो एक आपने मटेरियल सिलेक्ट किया है उसमें मल्टीपल फिनिशेस आर अवेलेबल, राइट. अभी सर्टेन स्पेसेस जैसे बाथरूम है उसमें आप रस्ट या रॉ फिनिश आप नहीं यूज कर सकते. बट इफ इट्स अ लिविंग रूम स्पेस, इट इज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन टू यूज दीज मल्टीपल फिनिशेस एंड क्रिएट अ फ्लोर विच एक्चुअली सिट्स वेल विद द एंटायरिटी. तो उसमें क्या रहेगा कि मटीरियलिटी एक ही है बट फिनिशिंग में डिफरेंस है, तो दैट इटसेल्फ विल एड दैट प्रीमियमनेस टू द स्पेस. Another thing that is very, very important, which people usually neglect, is the layouting and the grout line. अगर मैंने आपको एक 2 feet का 2 feet by 2 feet का tile, if you have selected, it is not necessary that I use the tile as it is and place it, जैसे हमने stack, usually ऐसे घर में होता है कि stack कर देते हैं 2 feet by 2 feet के tile. बट उसको अगर आपने काटा, उसको अगर आपने डायगनली रखा, इट ऑटोमेटिकली changes the perception of that particular room, right? So these hacks can make your space look extremely premium and elegant.
And what about the tiles? So I believe Italian marble is the most expensive and sought after. People are crazy about it.
Yeah.
But if somebody doesn't want to use Italian marble per se because of the budget, but still wants the same premium look, then
Italian marbles are very expensive. You're right. अभी अगर आपको मार्बल में ही जाना है तो इंडियन मार्बल आर एन ऑप्शन. जैसे मकराना मार्बल है, अंबाजी व्हाइट मार्बल है, उदयपुर ग्रीन मार्बल है. All these marbles are our in-house marbles, you can say, and it will reduce your cost to 40 to 60%.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, but उसमें एक shortcoming ये है कि the color options are very limited. अगर आपको शायद ग्रे कलर चाहिए तो वो आपको locally नहीं मिलेगा. In that case, the second best option is vitrified marble look like tiles, जो आपको visually वही finesse देगा जो एक Italian marble देगा. The only difference between these two materials is कि कोई भी marble अगर आप use कर रहे हो तो उसमें joint line is not visible. It's a seamless sort of flooring, right? But in a tile, when you're using a tile, there'll be a grout line visible, right? But वो grout line भी as a designer I can govern. I can give you a 2 mm grout line, 4 mm grout line, 6 mm grout line, depending on what sort of look do we want. And the color of that grout also matters a lot. So all in all, if you don't want to use Italian marble, go for an Indian marble, or second best option, vitrified marble look like tiles.
Okay, lovely, well taken. And what about lightings?
Lighting is also actually very, very important when it comes to making the space look premium, and it is actually an aspect which will not break the bank. Yeah. Why? I'll tell you now. ये भी एक कॉमन परसेप्शन है कि एक बड़ा सा रूम है तो उसमें एक बहुत एक्सपेंसिव सा शैंडिलियर लगा दिया एंड दैट्स इट, यू नो. बट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट लाइटिंग इज ऑल अबाउट लेयरिंग.
Okay.
And in today's day and age, जब हम इतना काम करते हैं, we would like to come to cozy corners, right? So there are 3 lights that usually goes into an interior designing when it comes to a space, which is general light, task light, and mood light or accent light.
Okay.
Usually क्या होता है कि ये तीनों में से मूड और एक्सेंट और टास्क लाइट को इग्नोर करने में आता है और जनरल लाइटिंग को ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देने में आता है. इफ देयर इज अ रूम देयर विल बी लाइक 4 डाउन लाइटर्स एंड दैट्स इट. बट one hack to make your space look premium through lighting is to layer the room with lighting. So yes, keep general lighting because it's very important, but maybe add in a little cove somewhere so that अगर आपने सिर्फ उतना ही on रखा है, then also there'll be a really nice cozy vibe to the space. Add a lot of flow fixtures. अगर flow lamp है या table lamp है कहीं पे जो आपने रात को switch on किया है while you're reading and all, that will also add a lot of depth.
Okay.
Apart from fixtures, what we neglect, and yet something that we neglect is natural light. हम उसको effectively use नहीं करते हैं. When I say that, what do I mean? आपका अच्छे से window आ रहा है, आपने उसके against कहीं पे furniture रख दिया, automatically the natural light का flow जो है वो cut हो गया. What can you do to avoid that? Is add, first of all, place your furniture, of course, in a way that it doesn't block the natural light. But apart from that, add reflective surfaces in the room so that the natural light gets reflected easily.
Lovely.
And उससे क्या होगा कि आपको एक्स्ट्रा कहीं पे फिक्सर लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. That is a cost cutting
Absolutely.
hack.
A penny saved is
A penny saved.
earned.
Yeah, and you can in fact invest that in some other thing, you know. So yeah, these are a few hacks that you can do for the lighting.
And
in your
furniture?
For furniture, we have to understand, as I said earlier, any premium space has to be decluttered. अभी आजकल का नया ट्रेंड है कि अगर मुझे 10 trendy things on Pinterest पसंद आया है, everything will be bought and put in the room, right? There will be a lot of furniture in the room, but we need to understand कि जितना कम furniture होगा रूम में, everything that is required होना चाहिए, but
Correct.
उसे access अगर नहीं होगा, then it will make the space look premium. One thing that is coming back into trend in 26 is multi-purpose furniture pieces.
Okay.
So I'm not sure, but अगर आपने 80s के furniture देखे हैं तो आपको पता होगा कि a dresser is getting converted into a console.
Yes.
Or a bookshelf is getting converted into a study table, right? This trend is coming back in 26. There are a lot of storage beds, extendable tables. मतलब छोटा सा ही table है, but अगर आपको ज़्यादा लोगों को cater करना है, you can pull it open, you know?
Expand it.
All these kind of hacks work very well. They look smart. They save a lot of money. They are multifunctional, so you can use it for multiple activities. And they are very good at cost cutting because आप 10 furniture नहीं बनवा रहे हो, आप सिर्फ एक बनवा रहे हो, which is used multiple times.
So even in that case, जैसे family थोड़ी बड़ी हो या you have a little smaller room and still you would want to use the best of it. तो जैसे bed के अंदर भी beds होते हैं जो you just pull it off,
Yeah.
and you use it and then you push it down. Okay, हो गया. So this is what you mean, that multi-purpose हो गया,
Correct.
collapsible हो गया, expandable हो गया.
Correct.
These are the options that are in trend and that can save a lot of money as well.
Lot of money. Yeah, there are concealed furniture also.
Yes.
Your dining table is on the wall and it just drops when you need it, right? Now imagine you have a good space for the dining area and your dining table is on the wall with a really nice artwork on the
it.
back. So when somebody comes, they are perceiving it as an art and the space is so open that it looks premium. But when you need it, you're just pulling it down and you are ready to entertain people.
Lovely.
You know?
Generally लोग कहते हैं कि एक इंटीरियर डिजाइनर का कि काम ही क्या होता है, you know, फर्नीचर रखवा दिया, कलर सिलेक्ट करवा दिया, लाइट्स ठीक है हमें लेके जाएंगे 10-12 शॉप्स में लेके जाएंगे, हमें सिलेक्ट करवा देंगे, इसके अलावा उनका काम ही क्या होता है. This is a general.
It hurts.
Oh, I'm so sorry, and we will not let this happen now. But let me have your view that how do you see an interior designer?
Yeah, as much as it hurts, you are right. मुझे काफी ऐसे सुनने को मिला है कि अरे आप करते ही क्या, फर्नीचर सिलेक्ट करते हो, कलर सिलेक्ट करते हो, you know. But it's very important to understand, and I always say this, my definition of why you require an interior designer is that an interior designer is a mediator between the client and the space. Okay? जैसे मैंने कहा, हम we understand your lifestyle, we understand your choices, we understand your habits, we understand the spatial needs that you don't even know you have, right? And उसको हम space में translate करते हैं जो space आपको cater करता है.
True.
Right? It's not going to make my life better. I am here to make your life better.
True.
Right? आज के day and age में अपना life इतना fast हो गया है कि even if one thing is out of place in your home, proportionally, functionally, ergonomically, अगर आपका बेड थोड़ा भी ऊपर हो गया ना, you'll start having back pain, you'll start having knee problems, you know, and all these things are very crucial because वो आपको daily life में थोड़ा pull back कर देता है. So it is very, very important to have an interior designer on board because we know what works best for you.
Lovely. Thanks for this view, and I'm sure pretty sure that the audience would also resonate and relate with this. All right, Kanisha. So we are now moving on to the rapid fire questions.
Okay.
So I'm going to shoot you with a lot of questions, and you will have to quickly answer those questions to me somewhere between 7 to 10 seconds, not more than that.
Okay.
All right. So the first question is, and a very prominent one: will AI replace or support interior designers?
AI definitely helps in speed and other tools, but it will never replace. It will only support interior design.
All right. The trending interior design setup these days.
Maximalism is coming back in 26.
Okay.
Yeah, a lot of bold colors, a lot of textures, a lot of patterns, a lot of artworks, but a layered approach. Yeah.
All right. So no minimalist now.
Minimalism is in the past.
Gone. Okay. All right. 2026 most trending colors to give luxurious feel for first living room.
A lot of browns, walnut hues are in.
Okay. Kitchen.
For kitchen, greens, olive green, forest green, or we can also go for terracotta. Terracotta and burnt caramel tones.
बाबा, आप कोई मेल अगर ये सुन रहा होगा ना, उनको बर्न्ट कैरेमल का टोन ही पता नहीं चलेगा. But okay, get your wives listen to this. All right. Okay. Another option is rooms.
Rooms a little softer, like sage green or clay beige, or some might also like burgundy, which is a little on the maroon side.
Right now, you've got to give me some percentage differentiation. All right. Hiring an interior can lower down your budget by X percentage. What percentage?
About 15 to 20%.
Oh, lovely. Okay, can save time by dash percentage.
30 to 40%.
Oh my God. Okay, all right. Can save your space efficiency by certain percentage.
About 20 to 25%.
Lovely. Can save you by the tragedies by certain percentage.
Definitely 100%. Nobody wants to fall.
कुछ बना के बाद लगा रहे ये तो कैसी गलती हो गई.
अरे मैं पहुंच ही नहीं पा रही हूँ.
Oh, this happens with my mom. Okay, next question is, where should homeowners never cut cost even on a tight budget?
Definitely their services. If ever they are planning to renovate, तो और अगर electrical या HVAC ऐसे कोई services है, plumbing for that matter, never ever cut cost. क्योंकि अभी आप शायद 50% बचा लोगे, but 4 years down the line you'll be probably giving 100% more to it, you know.
Okay, and the last question, which has to be very, very special for you, your icon or let's say your inspiration.
I have to say it's Kelly Wearstler. She's one of a very famous interior designer in Los Angeles, and I love her bold use of colors, art, texture, and the amalgamation of materials that she does.
So is she also following maximalism?
She is actually. She is. But I love how she brings in different styles together, and that too very flawlessly. You know, you will never see I mean, I might be biased here, but I just love
But that's your aspiration. Okay, Miss Kelly. So you have your fan following right here in Ahmedabad as well. All right, Kanisha, we had an amazing time and we have got some of the real tips from you. And I'm sure my audience, viewers, you would have also enjoyed this show, which is going to save a lot of cost in case you're going to make your first home or even the renovation. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have loved this thing, I urge you to keep commenting us and tell us which next guest should we invite in our next episode. Thank you so much for watching it off. Thank you. Bye. Thanks, Kanisha. Bye-bye.